Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to take the cabriolet out for its first drive of the year. Yesterday I got insurance on it and I picked up the plates, so today let's put on those plates so it's actually legal to drive it on the road. So let's go. I'm really looking forward to taking this out for a drive now. It's been a long time since I've been driving this. Engine sounds healthy, plates are on, and I'm just gonna check the coolant level and the oil level, and I think we are ready to go. It's actually not looking too bad. I want some cool summer tires on it, and it will be looking very, very cool. Whoops, it's a bit dirty after the drive I had in the autumn. But now I will wash it properly, and first I will take it for a good first drive, and then I will wash it afterwards. Oh yeah, I've been driving for 10 minutes now. It feels great. I really missed that sound, that straight six sound. It's something special about that sound. Really sounds amazing. Let's go to the GoPro so you guys can follow me along the ride. Let's take a little launch here just to kickstart it all. This feels good, not gonna lie, it feels very good. For those of you who do not know so much about this car, this is my 325 Cabriolet. As I've just told you, it is currently sitting on some AP coilovers, so it's kind of stiff. That makes it really, really nice to drive. And the sound is still pretty good. Whoa! I've driven my E46 for a while, but this is totally different. It can't compare to the E46. The E46 is so much newer, and in a way that's better, but I do really like those old cars and how an old car feels. So to me, this is seriously just fantastic. No doubts. I really like how it handles now with the coilovers, and I am running on winter tires right now. Those are 16-inch and they are very small, but that actually makes it very good to drive as well. And the transmission feels very good as always, and the engine feels very healthy and very it feels like it has good compression and that it works great. So yeah, I really like this car. I must be a little bit careful right now because it's like 2 or 3 degrees outside, and that means it could be kind of slippery. We can do a test right here just for fun. Braking test. It is okay with grip. I don't know from standstill if we can do a launch here as well. We can take the windows up, take it all the way up. We can do a little launch. Oh yeah, this speedo just stopped working. I don't know why. Anyways, let's do a little burnout actually. Oh, that was wheel spin actually, not the clutch. As you may see, it is a bit early for me to take this car out because it is still snow around, and but mostly the roads are dry, and I don't think it will be too much salt on it. So, and I will wash it really good afterwards. But I just couldn't wait anymore. I couldn't simply wait because I do really like this E36, and yeah, I just wanted to take it for a drive. Like this summer, I think I will keep this car. I'm not sure. I think I will sell my 320 diesel E46, but I'm not completely sure. I have been looking at some new cars, and I will not tell you yet what I've been looking at. I will keep that as a secret. If I buy myself a new car very soon, hopefully it'll be pretty cool. I promise you, it'll be pretty cool. That's what I can say. It'll be very, very cool. And so I've been looking at a few cars now, actually. Oh yeah, we can drive up here maybe. It's a bit snow here. That means it's slippery. That's fun. To be careful because I don't want to crash. I know a lot of you guys will probably comment just that hey man, don't crash, haha. And it's true, I can crash. Everybody can crash. Wait a minute, how is the lighting? Let's take a thumbnail photo here at this road. It looks very good. It's actually very nice looking at this scenery. Very, very nice. Let's go for some more driving. Okay, that was enough off-road driving. So now let's go back to the city driving. Oops, sorry. I forgot to use my blink lights. Typical BMW driver. I fit the description. Wow, look at this. That's beautiful. The sun is really setting now. That's nice. I can't wait until we will get some hot temperatures here and I can remove this hardtop. That'll be good. I really love driving with a cabriolet. I think that I know a lot of you guys really prefer the coupe over the cab, and I kind of agree that the coupe does look a little bit better, but compared to driving, like the driving experience, I maybe like the cabriolet better because I feel that I get a better experience driving without a roof. You really get that sensation of the sound and really everything a lot clearer and more like, yeah, it just sounds better and everything is better. It feels better driving with no roof. Hey, it's another cabriolet. Like I also said in the previous video, I am going to remove the angel eyes because those are not looking good at all now because they don't work. They were looking pretty cool when they worked, but now that they don't work, no need to have them anymore. I know maybe a lot of you guys are missing my old steering wheel, the blue one. I had a drifting steering wheel, and I do as well. I do miss it, but this is like, it looks more original with this one, and seriously, MTEC2 steering wheels are seriously one of the best steering wheels BMW has ever made, like best looking ones, in my opinion, of course. I don't know if you agree, but I think that this steering wheel looks, it's seriously just the prettiest looking steering wheel ever. Like, to top this off, you can get this stitched with Alcantara and just like this M colors in the steering wheel. That then is just absolutely perfect. I would like that one day. But these steering wheels are kind of expensive, and with Alcantara it's even more expensive, so I will not get that like this year, I think. That will be later. If I got an M3, then I would consider buying that Alcantara steering wheel. I think I will end the episode here. This was my first drive of the year, and I think it went really good. The car is doing great, actually. I will now wash it properly after driving on. I don't know if it's salt on the roads now. I hope not, but I will wash it anyways. Thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Instagram if you are not already doing that. Please subscribe and notification, and see you in the next episode, and goodbye.